Sometimes you might be selling an item or configuring an item where it doesn't make a lot of sense to provide a price and process that order or transaction as a sales order. Instead, you might actually want to take your customer through a quoting process. We developed a feature that we like to call captive quoting or intelligent quoting. So as a user, I can go into a product for sale. I'll grab one of these rails here. I can select different attributes on that product, and some attributes that are straightforward I will get a price for and be able to add to cart and check out like a normal sales order. But if there's something engineering related or complicated, I select another attribute here to see it flip me over to a quotation process. So as a customer on the storefront, I can add this item to my cart. Nomad will suppress all the regular activities you'd expect for checkout. And when I hit the proceed to checkout button, it'll take me to a checkout shipping and payment page where it's very clear my process for this transaction is going to be creating a quote of the